In just a few steps, we'll walk through how to connect your refrigerator to the Frigidaire app. If you haven't already, download the Frigidaire app from the Apple Store. Once downloaded, you'll be prompted to connect to your local network. Select OK. Select the Get Started button. If this is your first time using the app, select Sign Up to create an account. Create an account using a valid email address and password of at least 6 characters and 1 number. Once your account has been created, you'll receive an email to verify your email address. After verifying your email address, return to the app and log in. To enable notifications when using your appliance, select Allow. You will be prompted to accept or decline cookies. Then, log in again. You will be prompted to allow send notifications. Select your preference. Follow the prompts and select Allow Again to begin connecting your phone to your appliance. In the app, select your refrigerator from the images shown. A pop-up requesting you to allow the Frigidaire app to use your location will appear. Select one of the Allow options to connect your appliance. Now you're ready to add your appliance. On your refrigerator's display, press and hold the Connect Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds until the LED light and symbol begins to blink. It may take a few minutes for your refrigerator's Wi-Fi connection to start up. You will hear a chime to let you know your refrigerator's Wi-Fi is enabled. Go back to the app and select Next. Review the Connect to your fridge instructions and select Next. You will be taken to your settings. Go to Wi-Fi, find and select the network that starts with @e_fridge. A check mark will appear next to the network. Return to the app to connect to the appliance. The app will now begin connecting to your appliance and searching for your home Wi-Fi network. Note, you will have 5 minutes to complete this process before the app times out and you have to start over. When prompted, select your home Wi-Fi network. Sign in to your home Wi-Fi network with your password. The Wi-Fi icon on your appliance will continue blinking. It may take a minute to make the connection, so keep your app screen open. A pop-up will appear asking you to join the fridge Wi-Fi network. Select Join and wait until the connection reaches 100%. Your refrigerator should now be connected. Proceed with registering your appliance and entering your information. It may take a minute to register your appliance. You're now ready to start controlling your refrigerator remotely. If you're having some trouble connecting, here are a few tips to help. The app requires Apple iOS 11 or higher. You'll need a secure, password-protected 2.4 or 5 GHz internet connection on a WPA/WPA2 compliant network. Ensure you are in front of your appliance when connecting. Always use a valid email address. For more information on the Frigidaire app, visit us online or call us.